These came out so good. Oh, it smells delicious.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lifestyle of the Plebe and Nameless. So today we're going to be reviewing an air fryer.
Air fryers are so popular these days. I feel like everyone has one. Today we are going to be reviewing the Cosori 5-quart air fryer. Ta-da!
Did you know that the best-selling air fryer on Amazon is actually the Cosori 5.8 air fryer? Well, this little dude that we have right here today is the newest air fryer from Cosori, and it's the 5-quart one. And since we are still Plebe and Nameless, we are not sponsored by Cosori. Therefore, this is the most unbiased review that you will find on YouTube.
Spoiler alert, it's really good.
Let's get started so that you can find out if this is the right one for you. So what comes in the box?
This air fryer comes with this packet of goodie here. What you get inside is the user manual, a book of yummy recipes, and a thank you card where if you scan this QR code and go to the website and register your air fryer, you get an extended warranty of another year. So that brings you 2 full years of warranty for this air fryer.
Wow.
So definitely go do that.
No, don't throw that away.
We'll get it later. So let's talk about the air fryer. First, you've got a power cord, and I know you guys want to know how long this is. It comes at a whopping 42.5 inches.
Woohoo!
This air fryer weighs 10 pounds with a capacity of 5 quarts, and the dimensions are 10.7 inches by 10.8 inches by 11.9 inches. The top of the air fryer has tempered glass. It houses all your control buttons. This completely flat surface is very easy to clean. All you have to do is wipe it with a damp cloth. This cooking basket here has a release button on top that you press, and it releases the basket. This basket comes with a crisper plate to make sure that your food comes out all crispy. This crisper plate is made of aluminum and coated in non-stick silicone. Also, the basket is made of aluminum and coated in non-stick silicone as well, so it's very easy to clean. These are both dishwasher safe, so that's great, right?
I mean, who wants to wash that? I always hate washing this from my air fryer at home.
The dimensions of the cooking basket is 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and the depth with the crisper plate is 3.5 inches, and if you take the crisper plate out, is 4.5 inches. And if you want to make it even easier to clean, you can line it with aluminum foil or parchment paper. This Cosori air fryer comes with 9 customizable presets for all your cooking needs. One thing I do want to point out about the fries preset is that I think it's more for raw potatoes. I used this the other day to make some frozen curly fries, and as you can see, mine came out a little overcooked. So my tip is that for frozen fries, use the vegetable setting instead. It also includes a shake reminder, which will beep 5 times to remind you to shake your basket so that your food cooks evenly all the time. It has a rapid preheat function. When you put your food in, it improves your food texture. It also offers rapid heat circulation. The heat inside the air fryer is evenly distributed and maintains the target temperature the whole time that it's cooking. The keep warm function makes sure that your food stays nice and fresh, even for seconds. And we all want seconds. The reason why I decided to go with this Cosori air fryer over the bigger one is because I like the smaller footprint for my small kitchen. And it's a good enough size to feed 2 to 4 people comfortably. It also has a whisper quiet technology, which means it runs a lot quieter than the average air fryer on the market. Those average around 65 decibels, while this Cosori air fryer comes in at just 55 decibels. It's not going to scare your pets. One of the biggest pros of this air fryer is that when you turn your basket upside down to shake your food out onto your plate, this crisper plate remains intact. It does not budge.
So now that we went over all the specs for this air fryer, we're going to put this baby to the test, and we're going to make some keto-friendly air-fried chicken tenders.
Yummy.
I've been starving for this, as always, whenever we make food videos.
And it's also gluten-free.
For you hungry munchkins out there, we will have the recipe in the description box below, so make sure you check it out.
Don't forget the shake reminder. These came out so good. Oh, it smells delicious.
And it's ready.
These look so good.
So yummy and so healthy, I bet, too.
They say that air fried chicken is up to 85% healthier than actual oil fried chicken.
Wow.
Let's taste it. Mmm. These are delicious. I'm happy with it.
So yummy, so moist, too.
Definitely check out our recipe down in the description box below. So final thoughts on this Cosori 5-quart air fryer.
I think personally it's a really good looking air fryer. It's very aesthetic and it has that modern and sleek look, especially with the tempered glass flat top. It's so beautiful.
And it's also great when you have a small kitchen and you don't have a lot of room. Should you get the Cosori air fryer? If you're like me and have resisted the air fryer hype all these years, give this one a try. In the relatively short time it has been in my life, the Cosori 5-quart air fryer has truly earned precious real estate on my countertop, even replacing my old toaster oven. Now I'm wondering how I ever lived without it. Given the 5-quart size, it is a little smaller than the 5.8 that they sell, but this is actually perfect for people who live alone or they have a small family and empty nesters. I've had this air fryer now with me for several weeks and I've used it constantly, and every time my food has come out delicious.
And if you don't have an air fryer yet, why are you waiting? This is the time to get it now.
And this is the one to get.
We have the link to this air fryer in our description box below.
So check it out and see if it's the right air fryer for you. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our review. Subscribe to see more videos from us.
And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from this channel. Thanks for watching our video today. See you next time on
Lifestyle of the Plebe and Nameless.
Bye. Yeah. We're good. Yeah, can we just eat more now?